Hudson to be exact. I was probably a bit of a dumbass earlier, and I drove through something. I'm going to go drive through it again because, well, I think you guys should see it. Some cars got stuck. Unbelievable. Driving through it too fast. Anyway, the road's all flooded out up here. I'm on 303 in Hudson, Ohio. Yeah, they got her all blocked off. Yep. Got the police sitting up there, so we don't want to go that way. No, we do not. I was going to go drive through it again, but since the police is there, we don't want to. Kind of sucks. I was hoping to get some kind of cool content, but that's alright.